Hey, so I showed you some things as far as with the Facebook ads per se. So after I would get that and put in an ad and put in a picture and write some things, write some ad copies or whatever the case may be. Then after they click on something or click on to say, they'll probably say learn more or download here or buy now if they wanted to. And when they did, I will be able to, of course, send them to the website that I've already created, or I could have this first, or I can just do how I already do it and then put in the emails manually. But this is something that will just make it more automated. Say for instance, when they came and said I want to buy the book, or they want to buy your um, cooking guide. You had a cooking guide, or you have an acting e-course, or you have a catering business, and you want to show them different ways to cook stuff and how you do things, and you want to keep them subscribed to your weekly movements and your weekly pictures or whatever the case may be, yada yada yada. Uh, they're able to come to a page like this, or one or some page like this. A million pages you can do, but this is a sample page here. Uh, where you have a headline: 13 ideas to uh, cook, you know, to bake, easy bake, three ingredients to bake. You got three ingredients to bake a cake, whatever the case may be. uh, you're able to put a video here. So if you got a video of yourself, a video of you cooking different things, yada yada yada, with music behind it, and then they'll say here, okay, well, I want to go here and I want to put my name and my email here. Once they put their name and email here, you will have something like an autoresponder. Now, the autoresponder is something like things. It's like a list that you're building, but the autoresponder background is like something that you're able to, when you're able to put their names in, you're able to send them emails whenever you want to remind them that say, hey, remember me, remember the product that you said you was going to buy, yada, yada, yada. Say, for instance, again, you have my wife's ebook, and I can tell they came and they was interested. I told them that, hey, uh, she said like she has a video here probably, and she would say like, "Hey, follow, continue to make sure you follow me to get more up to dates and more books and more ways to pray together, whatever the case may be." And they do it, and then they send to the other pages where they say, "Okay, now you can buy the book." But say for instance they don't buy the book, but they already gave us our name, gave her the name and the email. So since they gave us the name and the email, now we're able to send them different. We can have a email sequence, email regular, whatever the case may be. We can send them emails anytime we want to. You say, hey, don't forget to buy the book. This book is changing, yada yada yada. Or the next day we can send them like a testimonial. Hey, watch this video here, yada yada yada. This book has changed this person's life. Then we can send. I mean, just sending them to reminders. Just say, don't forget to buy the book. Buy the book. Uh, but it's not you doing it every day. It's an automated system. Say for instance you got 10 different emails that's going to come every day, once a day, or every other day. You got 10 emails that's going to come every other day. You can do that as well. However you got it set up is fine. But again, these are just different type of, this is what you would call a capture page. There are millions of different type of capture pages. You can start it from blank, do it however you want to do it. You can come over here, you can put your picture here, you can change this, whatever you want. You can change it to yourself. Like again, I just different people that I help. Put myself there. Bam. I can. What I do now? What I do? What I do? Bam. I'm not used to working on this one. There you go. I got my face there. Bam. I can change this here. Put this as my business name. Win Jennings. Right. The winning funnel. Right. So that's one of the name of my businesses that I'm doing. It's called the Winning Funnel. So this is what you would call a funnel system, guys, where We'll get more than that. And that's a little about myself. I could put a little about myself. Easy steps. I put 3 different easy steps. Tell us what you think. I also have I could put a Facebook thing in here where they can leave reviews, whatever the case may be. Uh, Again, this is just a sample. This is one, guys. This is another one that you're able to do. This is something that's real simple. I can just put my wife book here and change the letters. Instead of being orange, it would be more likely red to do something like that. All right, or I could put my ebook here that I wrote. So, for instance, like for me to build my list or to have a lot of people that's in my email list, I would give them something free. Say, hey, I'm teaching you something free here, as far as business wise, and to get this free book, give me your name and email so I can send you this free ebook. You see what I'm saying? Now I'm asking them, hey, the only reason you can get this ebook if you give me your name and email so I can send it to you. So I will send this to you. You feel me? And stuff like that. So again, you can put your headline here. Like that, bam. It's something simple. Put download and subscribe. They click this to go to a thank you page. Check your email. We have sent you the link to download this ebook. Yada yada yada. You can put your logo right here. You can change that. Something simple, as you can see. There's another different one you got here. Creative designer. You put an ebook there. You got a different page. You can also change the background, guy. You can put it any type of background you want. It really doesn't matter. This thing here is so freaking helpful. It's crazy. So this is what you would call a capture page. And the benefit of it, you are building an online business and you're building a digital business. Even if you got a local, and it still needs to be digital in a way that you're able to keep up with the people. As far as keeping them posted what you're doing. Hey, I got a deal going on this week, or I got a 10% off deal going this week. And you're sending that to you got 500 to 1,000. Some people got 10, 20,000, 30,000 people. And they say the bigger your list is, the greater your business is, pretty much. Because the bigger your list is, say, for instance, you're sending out 30,000 emails in one click, bam, I have a 10% discount going on. Send it out to 30,000 people. Out of them 30,000 people, they trust you, they know you, they follow you, right? So since they know you, trust you, and follow you, out of that 30,000, some of those people are going to buy. Not just one, but thousands of those people are going to buy something. And now you just sold something else. All right. So again, this is something that you're able to build on, that you're able to do with Builderall, but it's also something that you're able to do with the Christian entrepreneurs, that we teach you how to do stuff like this, and we teach you how to follow through. And then also not only do a capture page, but then after this, you have something like a landing page. You show them like a long sales sheet. This is what you're getting. This is what we offer. Or you just show them whatever that you're selling. All right. So if you got a cooking business or catering or even acting, you show them different acting. Why should they trust you for acting? Who are you? Did you ever act before? Have you wrote plays? Yada, yada, yada. Whatever that you're doing. So again, this is connected. It's the reason why you see stuff like this, emails and whatever. You can put phone numbers. You can have three different things. You can have email, first name, email, phone number. That's up to you. You can put everything you want to put right there. And once you do that, again, now you have them on your list where you're able to email them anytime you want. Because the thing about it, everybody in the world has an email. To have a cell phone, to work a cell phone, Android or Apple, whatever, you must have an email. And if you got Facebook, duh, you already got to have an email to log into Facebook. So everybody has an email. And most of the time, if you have a cell phone, your email goes straight to your phone and it buzzes, right? So when you send their email, they get a buzz on their phone and say, "What is this?" "Oh, that's Jennings. That's Kerwin Jennings. He was hitting me up. What is he talking about today?" "Oh, okay. He's talking about making money. Oh, he's selling this. Oh, he's talking about this. Oh, this is going to help me. Yada, yada, yada." Or you have a store that you're doing. I'm going to show you guys that as well. Where you're doing a store and you're like, wow, they got something else going on. They don't know, it's like I got a store called the Elevation Spot. You got the elevation spot. You send different products to that list. Oh, they got this going. They got this for sale. They got that for sale. Or I can get this in a bundle. Bam! You have people that are still you're making money with those people, and you're selling them as a digital business. And you can do that as well in your business as well. All right. So you guys have a blessed day. This is what I will call the benefits of a capture page here. Follow along, read along. Watch the video. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to hit me up. Peace. I am out.